Corn harvest. Again, combine up there. 6170R. We swapped the 4760 out for this tractor because this seat swivels. Ooh, yeah. We were going to put our 2-track on it, but then we just didn't. Grain cart. I'm running the grain cart now. Cows. Somewhere in that area or over there. There's a washout like right about there, so you got to get ahead of that before we can unload. Truck is down there. I don't think I can zoom in. No, I cannot zoom in. Yeah, truck is down there. Gator also. So we're done selling now. And then we're just going straight to our bins. Ins now, finally. So we can finally unload our truck into the bins because we got a weird augers thing in my bobber 90-degree thingy. Why did Mountain Dew change their thingy? Or is this like a later model thingy in my bobber? I don't even know. Corn harvest. Yay, fun. See you all tomorrow.